Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, thanks for watching by in this video. Learn how to grade coat or tailor sleeve pattern. So watch full video, like, share, comments on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon for next. Start by grading sleeve opening. Y sleeve opening plus minus. Y elbow width plus minus. Sleeve bicep width Y plus X plus minus. Sleeve length X. Base size 34 size. Length 1 inch. Bicep width half inch grading. Elbow width half inch grading. Sleeve opening half inch grading. One part half inch as top sleeve. A small sleeve half inch. Total 1 inch. Size by size, half inch plus for 36, half inch plus for 38, half inch plus for 40, half inch minus for 32, half inch minus for 36. Y plus elbow width half inch plus for 36, half inch plus for 38, half inch plus for 46, half inch minus for 32, half inch minus for 30. Elbow width half inch plus for 30. 6, half inch plus for 38, half inch plus for 46, half inch minus for 32, half inch minus for 36, for 36, 38 plus for 38, 38 plus for 46, 38 minus for 32, 38 minus for 36, length plus 38 and half 58, 1. Here sleeve length 58 plus for 36, 58 plus for 38, 58 plus for 46, 58 minus for 32, 58 minus for 36. Sleeve grading to a right to a 38, left to a 58. Total 1 inch sleeve length grading size by size. Sleeve with grading, half bicep, elbow, sleeve opening, half way grading. Top part, here I drawing sleeve line size by size before I grading halfway top sleeve. Thanks for watching, like and share, comment on this video. 36 size sleeve drawing. (34 size base size, 36 size drawing, size by size. Each size I grading, each size I drawing. Before I grading, same. Coat or sleeve, coat or tailor sleeve pattern grading finish. 30 size, 32, 34 base size, 36, 38, 40 size. Top sleeve length X length plus minus 58, length armhole side plus minus 38 X. Sleeve bicep width Y half inch plus minus. Elbow width Y half inch plus minus. Sleeve opening Y half inch plus minus. Top sleeve grading finish. Now you make separate pieces, tracing and copy, make separate piece size by size this way. Thanks for watching, like and share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. Same way I will grade under sleeve. This is top sleeve and under sleeve same way grading. Now under sleeve Y plus minus, sleeve bicep width plus minus, Y plus minus, X plus minus, plus X plus minus, Y plus minus, X plus minus, half inch plus for 36, half inch plus for 38, half inch plus for 46, half inch minus for 32, half inch minus for 36. So 34 size, base size, half inch plus minus, sleeve opening, 58 plus minus, sleeve length 5/8 plus 5/8 plus 5/8 plus 5/8 minus 432 5/8 minus 430 size. Bicep width half inch plus 436 half inch plus 438 half inch plus 446 half inch minus 432 half inch minus 436 shape plus half inch plus minus y x half inch plus 38 plus minus slip length 38 and slip length 1 inch length grid. Now here I mark size by size before I calculate and mark 32 size lower slip, under slip drawing 30 size, 32 size, 34, 36, 38, 40 size. Y half inch plus minus elbow width, bicep width, y half inch plus minus, y slip length, x slip, y slip width half inch plus minus, x slip length 38 plus minus, x slip length 5/8 plus minus at slip opening, y half inch slip opening plus minus. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video. And you make separate pieces, trace and make copy, trace and copy, make separate piece by this ruler, size by size, tailor slip, grading, x length, y width plus minus, y width plus minus, y width plus minus, x slip length plus minus, top slip, grading, finish, under slip or lower slip, size by size, grading, y half inch plus minus, y half inch plus minus slip opening, x 5/8 plus minus slip length, y bicep width half inch plus minus, y slip width half inch plus minus, x 38 slip length plus minus, 38 5/8 1 inch total slip length, size by size, grading, lower slip, top slip. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video.